friends are here. Are you ready to play? I'm the doctor. Today, you big banana. I'm the doctor. So we got TV. Weekend at 8:20, 12:20 or 4:20 only on CD.
Hi, everyone. We're going deep down.
I would describe my first pride as loud,
breathtaking,
and super gay.
How deep down?
Level 500. The Wand Factory.
And that's more than we could have asked for.
This is how you rock your ring pop on the weekend. First, make big plans.
Ghost hunting.
Llama herding.
Then end up having a tie-dye tongue contest with ring pop. Success.
Ring Pop. Now try our new tasty sour flavors.
The original Zuru Bunch of Balloons. Want to soak the competition with speed and ease never seen before? Fill and tie 100 water balloons in just 60 seconds. That's 100 water balloons locked, loaded, and delivered at rapid speed. Zuru Bunch of Balloons blast the competition out of the water with one self-sealing shake. Attach Zuru Bunch of Balloons to any nozzle and fill them all at once. You'll be firing while the neighbors are filling them one by one. Water balloon warfare will never be the same. No more getting tangled in ties. The original Zuru Bunch of Balloons. They're a total blast. You can get yours online with any good retailer. You must be 18 years old or older to order.
The Ninja Turtles have teamed up with Fruit by the Foot and Fruit Roll-Ups. You can join them on an action-packed tasty adventure this summer with mini posters and bookmarks inside the specially marked boxes of Fruit by the Foot and Fruit Roll-Ups. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Out of the Shadows, rated PG-13.
For incredible stain removal, try OxyClean Max Force with 5-in-1 stain-fighting power. The convenient spray tackles the toughest stains, completely gone. The concentrated gel sticks to and removes even ground-in stains. OxyClean gets the tough stains out.
This isn't Cineminimum, it's Cinemaximum. Our most cinnamony taste ever. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares.
Oh, this Friday.
Let's do it!
Don't freak out. The Angry Birds movie hits the big screen. It's a groundbreaking,
I told you not to mess with me!
Point made.
high-flying,
Ribs, beak, giblets!
Oh my god.
eye-popping 3D event that'll have you coming back for more.
He's coming back. Get down.
Can we get an ice pack for Hal?
The Angry Birds movie, rated PG, in theaters everywhere this Friday.
From the Angry Birds movie, it's the Angry Birds playsets and collectibles. Load up, take aim, and smash through the defenses. Then reset for a whole new challenge. Angry Birds playsets and figures, each sold separately from Spin Master.
Now at McDonald's, you can flock together and let the fun fly.
How you doing?
With the goodness of milk and apple slices. And a toy from the Angry Birds movie, rated PG. This new Happy Meal is sure to be a hit.
Ah, the door. Why didn't we think of that?
Building has mutated with Mega Bloks Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You could build Mikey a new pizzeria, zip line to the top, then knock down the tower. You can build the sewer layer and take out Tiger Claw. Mega Bloks Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Playsets each sold separately.
With. And the answer is feathers!
Yes! Oh, good.
Which means a shiny for Tiggs and Dogsby.
Another shiny for me. One of those, I think.
Oh, yes. Oh, shiny boo for a change.
And if you got the answer right, give yourself a shiny! Right, time for the scores!
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find your soul.
Let's see. One.
Oh, very fashionable. Okay, so Dogsby is a pig.
Oh, I think I've been a pig before.
Yes.
Last time I was a pig, I got tickled.
Yes. Shall we get married, or shall we? Tickle that pig.
Yeah, let's tickle that pig.
To market, to buy a fat pig.
Home again, jiggity jig. I'll miss the video again.
Oh, and see you all again next time.
Yeah, bye.
There's no phone to keep him safe. Right, up we go.
I don't think I've ever seen a skateboarding bass before.
Ready?
Steady!
Ding, ding. Oh, yes, hold very tight.
Fantastic. Oh, that was great. Oh, Mr. Cheese would like to go, please.
Oh, does he have a ticket?
No, he has us. To be beautiful.
Oh well, never mind.
I'm going to have a go.
Yeah, let's do them all together.
Yeah.
Let's just bring it up there.
No, don't touch it. No, don't touch it.
Better.
Careful.
Oh, don't worry, Lucky Hat. I'll protect you.
Okay,
That's
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's see the video again.
See you all again next time.
Down and do little bounces like this. Up and down, up and down. Come on, Higley, let's all do it together. Okay, here I go.
Oh, I say, this is terribly jolly.
Yeah, jolly. Snappy, snap, snap.
I need to clean up in here.
But Penguin's our patient.
Oh, he'll be all right. Look, I'll put him in the sleepy ward with the other patients.
What are we going to do now?
Why don't you two go outside and play?
Okay.
And I'll be needing my cloth back. Oops, thank you.
Messages on my card.
Oh, and who's it for, Milo?
Oh, it's for. I love you. Oh, I haven't decided yet, Judy.
Bill and George worked as fast as they could.